Hey yo, good day everyone. Welcome to another video dito sa Man Cannot Ride. Katatapos ko lang mag-ride. Medyo napakamuti ng konti. But anyway, napakahalaga sa street riding, urban riding, city riding. Napakahalaga ng preno. Siguro naman kahit naman saan, di ba? Now, kapag kailangan nyo na mag-upgrade ng brake system, merong palaging nakakalimutan na isaalang-alang. And this is the most important part of the braking system. Ito yung pinakamahalagang parte ng braking system. Nakakalimutan natin ang mga gulong, yung tires. Okay. Maniwala man kayo sa hindi, pero kahit paggaano kaganda o kahit paggaano ka-high-tech yung braking system nyo, good calipers, good brake pads, racing calipers, racing brake pads, racing disc, kahit paggaano kaganda yan, brake master, tas brake fluid, lahat pang racing, kahit pa magkabit kayo ng brake system na ginagamit sa MotoGP or WSBK, it will not matter kung hindi maganda o maayos ang mga gulong nyo, ang mga gulong ng mga motor nyo. Nandyan lahat yung grip nasa tires lahat yung grip for acceleration and grip for braking and grip for cornering. Kung sobrang lakas at kung sobrang ganda ng preno nyo, ng braking system nyo, tapos hindi maganda yung grip ng gulong, tutulas lang kayo ng tutulas, mag-i-skid lang kayo ng mag-i-skid. Ngayon, kung sakasakali namang, let's say, ordinary lang yung brake system mo, pero nilagyan mo ng grippier tires or stickier tires, o mas magandang tires yung motor mo, actually mas mararamdaman mo na mas okay pala yun eh. Diba? So magsimula tayo halimbawa sa stock. So stock tires, stock brake system. Diba? Kapag in-improve natin yung tires, ginawa natin, kumuha tayo ng grippier tires, stickier tires, performance tires, mararamdaman natin na parang nag-improve yung braking system, which is hindi lang parang, talagang nag-improve yung braking system. Dahil hindi lang natin nare-realize na part of the braking system is the tire. Kasama ang gulong sa braking system. Now, kung sakasakaling i-upgrade mo rin ang braking system, so you have better tires, you have better brakes, then dun mo ngayon mararamdaman na, uy, ang gandang combination nun. Kasi talagang mamamanage mo yung grip na kinakailangan mo for braking, for acceleration, and for cornering. Now, bilang siguro pang tapos, sasabihin ko na din na if you have better tires, and if you have better brakes, if you have a good bike, pero wala ka namang skills, knowledge, tapos hindi maganda yung attitude mo sa riding, it's not gonna work. So, kung meron kang maayos na motor, if you have better tires, if you have good brakes, if you have great brakes, if you have a great package overall, samahan mo ng knowledge mo on how to ride and how the motorcycle works, samahan mo ng proper riding skills, which means you are aware of road safety, road strategy, city riding yan ha, and then ayusin mo pa yung attitude mo towards riding, then you will become a better, safer rider with a very good big bike. I will see you on the next video dito sa Man Cannot. Naduduling na ako, hindi ko alam kung saan ako titingin. I will see you on the next video dito sa Man Cannot Ride. Nga pala, shout out dun sa nakasabay ko sa ride kanina, si Miss Bessie Babe. Ma'am, sige, next time, ako naman ang hahabulin mo. Napagod ako paghabol sa'yo. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day everyone. Enjoy your weekend.